Welcome to Genius Brain Box.
What is Kamlesh Mehta famous for? A. As an Indian badminton player. B. As an Indian cricket player. C. As an Indian squash player. D. As an Indian table tennis player. Correct answer. As an Indian table tennis player. Kamlesh Mehta is a renowned Indian table tennis player. What is Deng Yaping famous for? A. As a Chinese badminton player. B. As a Chinese badminton squash player. C. As a Chinese badminton table tennis player. D. As a Chinese badminton football player. Correct answer. As a Chinese badminton table tennis player. Deng Yaping is a legendary Chinese table tennis player, a multiple-time world and Olympic champion. Which country won the most number of medals in table tennis at the 2018 Commonwealth Games? A. England. B. Singapore. C. Australia. D. India. Correct answer. India. India dominated table tennis at the 2018 Commonwealth Games, winning the most medals. Which golf player is nicknamed as the Golden Bear? A. Bobby Jones. B. Tiger Woods. C. Gary Player. D. Jack Nicklaus. Correct answer. Jack Nicklaus. Jack Nicklaus, with his exceptional career and numerous major championships, earned the nickname the Golden Bear. Which sports competition is known as the Ryder Cup? A. Cricket. B. Rugby. C. Polo. D. Golf. Correct answer. Golf. The Ryder Cup is a prestigious biennial golf competition between teams from Europe and the United States. What is Brooks Koepka famous for? A. As an American golf player. B. As an American tennis player. C. As an American badminton player. D. As an American table tennis player. Correct answer. As an American golf player. Brooks Koepka is a prominent figure in professional golf, known for his major championship victories. Which country won the most number of medals in golf at the Asian Games? A. Japan. B. South Korea. C. Philippines. D. India. Correct answer. South Korea. South Korea has consistently excelled in golf at the Asian Games. Which is the birthplace of boxing? A. Belgium. B. Greece. C. Sweden. D. Spain. Correct answer. Greece. Boxing has ancient roots, with its origins traced back to ancient Greece. Which sports code of rules is known as the Marquess of Queensberry Rules? A. Boxing. B. Wrestling. C. Fencing. D. Basketball. Correct answer. Boxing. The Marquess of Queensberry Rules are a set of guidelines for boxing, emphasizing fair play and safety. Which is the international governing body for the sport of amateur wrestling? A. United Wrestling Federation. B. United Wrestling Association. C. United World Wrestling. D. United Wrestling Committee. Correct answer. United World Wrestling. United World Wrestling, UWW, oversees all forms of Olympic and non-Olympic wrestling. Which wrestler is known as the Russian Bear, Russian King Kong? A. Matt Lindland. B. Alexander Karelin. C. Randy Couture. D. Mikhail Mamiashvili. Correct answer. Alexander Karelin. Alexander Karelin was a dominant Greco-Roman wrestler with an exceptional career, earning him these nicknames. What is Hugh Cassidy famous for? A. As a powerlifter. B. As a boxer. C. As a wrestler. D. As an archer. Correct answer. As a powerlifter. Hugh Cassidy is a legendary figure in the sport of powerlifting, having achieved significant success in the early days of the sport. Who holds the record for the longest continuous period as the world #1 ranked men's recurve archer? A. Jake Kaminsky. B. Grady Ellison. C. Mauro Nespoli. D. Marco Galeazzo. Correct answer. Grady Ellison. Grady Ellison maintained the top ranking for an extended period, showcasing his dominance in the sport. Which country won the most number of gold medals in beach volleyball at the Summer Olympics? A. United States of America. B. Brazil. C. Germany. D. Australia. Correct answer. United States of America. The United States has a strong history of success in beach volleyball at the Olympic Games. Headquarters of the International Handball Federation is located in which country? A. France. B. Belgium. C. Switzerland. D. Canada. Correct answer. Switzerland. The International Handball Federation, IHF, is based in Lausanne, Switzerland. How many team members are present in each team of a netball game? A. 7. B. 9. C. 11. D. 13. Correct answer. 7. Each netball team consists of 7 players. Jeremy Lalrinunga, who won gold medal in the Commonwealth Games, plays with sports. A. Boxing. B. Wrestling. C. Weightlifting. D. Shooting. Correct answer. Weightlifting. Jeremy Lalrinunga is a prominent Indian weightlifter who has achieved significant success at the Commonwealth Games. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles? A. Germany. B. Italy. C. Brazil. D. Argentina. Correct answer. Brazil. Brazil has won the FIFA World Cup a record 5 times. Which country hosted the first ever FIFA Women's World Cup? A. China. B. United States. C. France. D. Japan. Correct answer. China. The inaugural FIFA Women's World Cup was held in China in 1991. Which country won the inaugural Cricket World Cup in 1975? A. West Indies. B. Australia. C. England. D. India. Correct answer. West Indies. The West Indies won the first ever Cricket World Cup in 1975. Who is the highest wicket-taker in Test cricket? A. Shane Warne. B. Glenn McGrath. C. Anil Kumble. D. James Anderson. Correct answer. James Anderson. James Anderson of England currently holds the record for the most wickets in Test cricket. Which Grand Slam tournament is played on clay courts? A. Wimbledon. B. US Open. C. Australian Open. D. French Open. Correct answer. French Open. The French Open is the only Grand Slam tournament played on clay courts. Who is the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? A. Abhinav Bindra. B. Neeraj Chopra. C. Leander Paes. D. Saina Nehwal. Correct answer. Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra won the gold medal in 10-meter air rifle shooting at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Which sport is associated with the term Grand Slam? A. Tennis. B. Golf. C. Basketball. D. Football. Correct answer. Tennis. A Grand Slam in tennis refers to winning all 4 major tournaments in a single calendar year: Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon, and US Open. Who is the current world champion in Formula 1? A. Max Verstappen. B. Lewis Hamilton. C. Fernando Alonso. D. Charles Leclerc. Correct answer. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen is the reigning Formula 1 world champion. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment. Goodbye.